top 4 best apps or websites to watch movies for completely free. So if you want to watch movies for completely free, then here are the 4 best apps or websites. So the first one is you just need to go for your Google, so it will be easy for you. So once you're here on the Google, now you need to search for YouTube movies. Once you search for YouTube movies, here you can scroll down and here you will have movies and TV. Tap on that and it will take you to the YouTube, and you will have all of the movies on the YouTube. So here you can simply search for any movie that you would like to watch, and you can watch your movies from YouTube movies. And this is the first one. And the second one is freevee.com. Once you search for freevee, then here you will have Amazon freevee. You can simply tap on that and then you can install the application if it's available in your region. So tap on Amazon freevee and you can install it, and you can watch the movies completely for free. So this is the second. And the third one is vudu.com. So once you've searched for Vudu, then you will have www.vudu.com. You can simply tap on it. So if you tap on vudu.com and if it's available in your region or country, then you'll be able to watch movies on it. So if you scroll down here, it says that Vudu is a streaming service where you can pay for each movie or program you watch instead of a monthly subscription. So it doesn't need a monthly subscription, but if you want a movie, then you can simply download the movie by paying and you can watch. And the fourth one is Tubi TV. Once you search for Tubi TV, go for the first, which is tubitv.com, and it will take you to this kind of interface where you just need to scroll down and search for any movies or any anime that you would like to watch, and you can simply tap on watch now free and you'll be able to watch that. So these are the 4 best apps or websites to watch movies for completely free. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.